Hello, today I'm in Subaru Legacy. In this video I'll show you how to use rear wiper. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. And to enable or disable this function, twist the top part of the lever once upwards. Now the rear wiper is enabled. While the rear wiper is enabled, you can also use rear sprinklers by twisting the top part of the lever upwards again and holding it. You can use rear wiper in two modes: interval and constant. To disable it, set it to off position. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.